Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your computer class. I am Priyanka, your computer teacher, going to discuss some question answer of your first chapter, Computer Fundamentals. So, Devasmita ma'am already discussed the question number 1 and 2 of your exercise. So, let's start from question number 3. So, question number 3 here, put a tick for the correct statement and a cross for the wrong ones. So, 3A here, fifth generation computers have ability to perform high sophisticated operations. सो फिफ्थ जनरेशन जैसे कि हमारा मोबाइल का होता है जनरेशन, जैसे 2G 4G, लाइक दिस कंप्यूटर फिफ्थ जनरेशन have ability to perform high sophisticated operations. So it is a correct statement. So we'll write put a tick here in the box. Then our second question, second generation computers were built between 1964 and 1971. It is right or wrong? It's a second generation. सेकेंड जनरेशन का पीरियड है 1956 to 1964. So this one is wrong, so we'll cross here. Then come to C, the first generation computers were difficult to program. द फर्स्ट जनरेशन जो पहला जनरेशन का कंप्यूटर था वो इतना ही डेवलप नहीं था. सो द फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर्स वर डिफ़िकल्ट टू प्रोग्राम. उसमें प्रोग्राम करने में डिफ़िकल्ट था. इट इज़ राइट, सो विल टेक हियर. देन D, transistors were used in second generation computers. Transistors were used in second generation computer. It is true, because the technology used in second generation, that is called our transistors. So we will tick here. Then E, IBM 360 is an example of fourth generation computer. IBM 360. IBM 360 तो कौन सा जनरेशन का है? वो तो थर्ड है. हियर फोर्थ जनरेशन का बताया गया है, तो इट इज रॉन्ग, सो विल क्रॉस इट. ओके. Then come to our question number 4. Question number 4 here match the technology with the generation in which it was used. It means in जिस जनरेशन में जिस मशीन को, जिस टेक्नोलॉजी को हम यूज़ करते हैं उसको हम मैच करें. तो फर्स्ट जनरेशन you can see in your book, first generation, on page number 1, first generation is it first generation technology, its name vacuum tubes. So So let's here सेकेंड जेनरेशन में जो टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज़ किया गया था उसका नाम है ट्रांजिस्टर. So in page number 2 you can see the picture of transistor. So here we will match second generation to our use technology here. Okay, then come to our third generation. In third generation, the technology used integrated circuits. So you can see your Facebook's page number 2, the picture of integrated circuit, and match it. The third generation technology is integrated circuit. It is here. So match this. Then fourth generation में टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ किया गया था microprocessor. So here is a picture of microprocessor. So we will match it like this. Then question number 5. Answer the questions. Question A. List any two limitations of first generation computers. So any two limitation in your books page number 1. Here you can write it had small internal storage. It's लिमिटेशन स्टोरेज उसका बहुत छोटा सा था और क्या और इट इज स्लो इन स्पीड एंड वेरी कॉस्टली ऑल्सो. You can write small internal storage and slow in speed. So question number 5A, its answer, you can write small internal storage and slow in speed. Let's come to our question number B. 5B here. How were the computers of third generation better than those of second generation? Means जो थर्ड जनरेशन का कंप्यूटर वो सेकेंड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर से कैसे बेटर है द कंप्यूटर्स ऑफ थर्ड जनरेशन were better than those of second generation because it had more storage capacity than second generation. So answer you can find your book in your book page number 2. Okay, the answer will be it had more storage capacity than second generation. मतलब सेकेंड जेनरेशन से ज़्यादा स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी था थर्ड जेनरेशन का. सो इट इज़ द बेटर थिंग ऑफ आवर थर्ड generation. Then we will discuss the 5C. Name the technology used in second generation computer. सेकेंड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर में कौन सा टेक्नोलॉजी यूज किया गया है? सो इट विल बी आवर ट्रांजिस्टर्स. You will write transistor. Then D, define artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, it is also a technology which is used in our fifth generation computers. So your book page number 3, फिफ्थ जनरेशन कंप्यूटर्स के अंडर में आता है क्या? आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. आपको वही लिखना है. सो आंसर डिफाइन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. Your answer will be artificial intelligence, a branch of computer science that aims to develop computers that can think, take decisions, and behave like human beings. Okay. Then we'll discuss about 5E. Give two examples of first, second, and third generation computer. It's very easy, you can do it yourself. I will also tell you about this. So first generation computers example, you can write ENIAC and EDBAC. Then second generation computer, its example IBM 700 and CDC 160. Then third generation, its example IBM 360 and BAX 750. Okay. Then our next 5F, mention three characteristics of fifth generation computers. So फिफ्थ जनरेशन कंप्यूटर का जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है आपको लिखना है, उनमें से 3 को. In your book page number 3 there are many characteristics, you can write from them only 3. Your answer will be fast. It have very high speed and storage capacity. Then second, they are used in areas such as robotics, scientific research and defense. It have ability to perform highly sophisticated operations. Okay. Then it's question number 6, application based question. Application based question. A, today Bani's computer teacher taught students about the evolution of computer through different generations. ओके, क्या है, बानी का जो कंप्यूटर टीचर है उसको इवोल्यूशन में मीन्स डेवलपमेंट, कंप्यूटर का जो धीरे धीरे डेवलपमेंट हुआ है उसके बारे में उसका कंप्यूटर उसको पढ़ा चुके हैं. तो हाउ मेनी जनरेशंस द कंप्यूटर आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू, you already know about this, so this answer will be 5. Okay, there are 5 generation computers are classified into. Then second, our double I mention the time period of each generation. It is very easy, you can do it yourself. Like फर्स्ट जनरेशन उसका टाइम पीरियड जो है 1940 से 1956 उसका लिखना है. देन सेकेंड का पीरियड टाइम पीरियड लिखना है. उसके बाद थर्ड, देन फोर्थ, देन फिफ्थ, लाइक दिस यू विल राइट it. Then our question number B, your question number B, Sushant was a computer programmer when the third generation computers were commonly used. सो सुशांत जो है एक कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामर है जो प्रोग्रामिंग करते हैं कंप्यूटर को. सो व्हेन थर्ड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर वर कॉमनली यूज, जब थर्ड जनरेशन कंप्यूटर का यूज हो रहा था तब का. यू Can you tell which technology was used in the computers that time? So it is टाइम ऑफ थर्ड जनरेशन में कौन सा टेक्नोलॉजी यूज किया गया था? इट आवर इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट. ओके, इट इज आवर इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट. सो you will write that. Then next, see, Ritika's mother told her about the computers that used microprocessor. So रितिका की माँ माइक्रो प्रोसेसर को यूज करके जो कंप्यूटर बनाया गया है उसके बारे में बताते हैं. नेम द जेनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर सी इज रेफरिंग टू. तो माइक्रो प्रोसेसर कौन सा जेनरेशन का कंप्यूटर है? इट इज आवर फोर्थ. So fourth generation. Its answer will be fourth generation. Then double I list three features of this generation of computers. List three feature of this generation of computer. So जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है उनमें से 3 को आपको लिखना है. So you will write, they are widely used at home and office. They are easy to handle. Then they have more computing power and storage capacity. Okay. Then our III, when was the first microprocessor developed and by whom? सो माइक्रो प्रोसेसर को फास्ट कब और किसके द्वारा डेवलप किया गया है? कब? 1971 में बाय इंटेल कॉर्पोरेशन. ओके, द फर्स्ट माइक्रो प्रोसेसर डेवलप्ड इन 1971 बाय इंटेल कॉर्पोरेशन. ओके, your homework is for today question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Do it in your book. Question number 3 and 4 and 5, 6 you will do it on your copy. So do it. Thank you.